Hi everyone, welcome to my video, and I'm going to share with you this method I just came across maybe a month ago. Such an amazing method, technique that I've been using, and it's been so helpful. And yeah, let's jump right into it. At first you're gonna feel weird. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead, go to a private place and do it without, if you are worried about other people looking at you while doing it. So what do you do? First, this method is called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. Such an amazing technique that you can learn and use, and whenever you have those hectic days, or really you're sad and you don't know why you're even sad, you can go ahead and do it. What do you need to do? First, identify your problem. After you identify the problem, you can measure it from a scale to 1, from 1 to 10. After doing that, then form a sentence. The sentence goes, even though right now ... I deeply love and accept myself. So it's a simple sentence, not difficult to remember. And then after that, you go back to your scale and see where you are, how you're faring on. If it's dropped down to a 7 or a 6 or a 2, okay, that would be amazing. So after that, that's when you can decide whether you want to continue tapping or you want to stop. Sometimes it depends with the problem or the degree of the problem. If the degree, if the problem is a little bit deeper, it will require more work. Don't be surprised if the next day you will continue feeling the same way about that issue, or even worse. And the more worse you feel, the more you need to work on it by continuing to tap on those pressure points that I'm going to show you. These pressure points are apparently connected to the organs inside us, so that's why they work. I think they flush out the toxins. Just what you need to do is just tap those areas, and they correspond with the organs, like let's say the lungs, the heart, or the spleen, those kind of things, and they release those bad toxins from your system, and you start feeling good for no reason, even though the problem is still there. You feel so separate from the problem. That's one thing I realized. Whatever I'm going to share with you is my experience and my opinion. When I started doing this, I decided to do a research on it, because when I did it was the like monkey do, monkey do, monkey see, monkey do, that kind of thing. I didn't know what I was doing. I just followed along and I felt better, so I decided to dig deeper and see what this is. And I'm now just getting information, and I will go deeper into it later on to get a full understanding of it. So let's start with a demonstration. Okay, I'm gonna put a demonstration, an extra video, a small one here, so that you can see how I'm doing it and you can follow along. It's not that difficult. Okay, some people do it differently. Some start with their wrists, some start with the tap here on top of the head, or here they don't tap with both hands, they just tap with one. It doesn't matter. On YouTube there's so many videos, people talking about this, and you can also go into those videos and see how these people have been doing it and try it out. I've tried also those other people's techniques, and they seem to work just fine. So whatever technique you come across that's regarding those different points that you need to hit, it will work. So now you've got your problem, and let's say, what's your problem? What's disturbing you? What's annoying you? Okay, let's see. Maybe you lost your ring. Yeah, you've lost your ring and you are so devastated, and it can't get off your head because you imagine the attachment and I don't know, the connection you had with the ring. Despite the amount that it cost to buy it, you are just frustrated. And how are you going to reduce those frustrations or get rid of them, depending on how how well you're good in mastering your emotions. So let's start. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. Even though right now I lost my ring, I deeply love and accept myself. It feels so wonderful whenever I do it, even for, demonstration purposes. I feel this calmness come over me for no reason. And that's what we want. We want to be happy, to be joyous, to be calm, to be peaceful, no matter what's going on. And having that is really a true blessing. And it has done major, like I've seen tremendous change in me. These days I feel like even the biggest problems that are still lingering in me, they are so minute, I don't really care about them, to be honest with you. Of course you will still feel them, they will still be there, but there's a separation. Like, you will no longer identify with you. This is your antidote, really, to have in your toolkit of mental being. And investing in that is really important. Try to find, look online, other people who are talking about it. Maybe they've discussed it more intensively. It's just, for me, I was so excited when it worked on me, and I was like, this is so good. I feel so amazing, and I need to share it to the world so people can just, start tapping away their fears, their problems, their depression. These technique, you can use it for so many things. I saw you can use it for weight loss, you can use it for terminal diseases, you can use it for... It's mind-blowing. It's a lot of things you can do with it, and I'm so ready to learn much deeper and extend my awareness so that I know how it really works and use it to my advantage. Okay. Maybe I'm getting too excited, but this is so amazing. As I said, I think I mentioned this before, people tap differently in different areas, and some people tap in some areas and some people don't tap in other areas. Like here, you can do that. You can go ahead and tap there. What other place I didn't tap? I don't remember. But here you can tap with one hand. No big deal, you can do it. And what else? Here also you can do it with one hand. So soothing. It feels so amazing. It's just like those toxins are just being released from your system, and you are rejuvenated. Your cells are working. You're getting better and better, and keep on practicing. The more you practice, the better your cells are gonna respond to it, and you'll be just a totally different person, maybe after a month or longer, depending on your personality. So yeah, hope you find this video useful, and we'll talk to you in the next one. All right, bye bye.